Hey, what's up? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Marley Mitch. What's up? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
Alright, YouTube, we made it to our destination, man. We are here, baby. Today we are pulling up at Rackline Digital Printing and Embroidery. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I had something special coming to the channel. You know what I'm saying? They go that big Daytona things for those who did not get to see it at GAPFEST. For those who don't know what it looked like. You ain't seen that thing. This is big Daytona Go Mango thing, and that bit is pressure, and we is running, and we look for all the smoke. So if you want it, pull up. That's all you gotta do. I don't want to do all the talking. Just pull up. You know what I'm saying? Big 392 thing. You know what I'm saying? And she dirty. Got some curb rash, but I don't remember hitting the curb. I ain't gonna even count with you. Not enough, not that much of a curve anyway, bro. But yes, this is it, man. Big Daytona. Going on, guys? So walking in, man. What's up, gang?
Hey, what's going on?
How you doing, man?
I like your t-shirt, man.
Appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? What's up, man? You good?
What's going on? We're here making the good merch.
Yes.
Just dropping your stuff down.
Appreciate it, man. Hey, that's the game right there, man. Go ahead and tell them where we at, fella.
We're over here at Racky Line. So we're a pearl manufacturing company, 32 years in business, multiple locations in Europe and here in the US. And we are pleased to be working with Pablo making some Savage clothing.
Hey, how you doing? My guy Tarzan in the streets, you know what I'm saying?
Look.
Now what y'all get right now is the exclusive, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got caught this swag right here. They putting the soft touch. You know it, right?
Right.
This is limited right here with this style, because the rest of it just be the name and the 392.
Right.
So here we go, man. They working.
It's gonna be fire.
Appreciate it.
This is what we got. Black lettering, red.
That be so clean. I'm so excited right now.
This is what your red is gonna look like, and that's got the black play button, white, and the 392 in black.
Ooh, talk to him, baby.
Now for the black,
You got the black right there, and then you got the whites done already.
Yes, sir. They ain't ready for this, man. They not ready for this, man. This is crazy. Listen, y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all, we going up all 2021, all 2022. It's just a hustle, man. We out here trying to get it. And I need y'all support on this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all caught this merch, man. This is dropping. I'm gonna give y'all a specific date, but this first batch right here is pretty much bought up. They already done copped all this already. So y'all let me know. Just let me know what y'all want to do. You
want to press the button?
What
you want to do the honors? You gotta just go boom.
One time?
One time, and then you can move on to the next.
Oh, Lord, they got me. Oh,
we got you working.
Oh,
there it is.
Oh.
Pablo Savage, the digits don't come off after they get like used or washed. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So the ink is curing, and right now the moisture in the ink and the water's coming out, it's evaporating. So what it's doing is letting the ink sit there. Now, this is certified for a lot of industrial washes, so your stuff is going to be on point.
Yes.
for a long time.
Yes, sir.
The best for the best, you heard me?
Hey.
The best for the best, you heard?
Y'all see that? Coming off hot.
Yeah, tell me, get them while they're hot.
Coming off hot.
Shit.
That's crazy, man.
Dope.
All off a live feed, man. That's why.
That's it,
All off a live feed.
I told him that, I told him I was like, I'm about to go live. I guarantee you can get somebody. He's like, man. He said something. I was like, we gonna get somebody.
You know, he had to work till 3 in the morning, right?
Yeah.
On his merch. That was the bet. And he was like,
Yeah, because I got a lot of shit coming.
and he was like, you know what? If I get somebody, I get to leave early. I knew somebody wants a shirt.
I was live for 71 minutes. They know Pablo Savage was like, hey, I need that. Pull up on me. You pulled up on me. You pulled up on me. That was some real love. You actually pulled up. Most people just like, yo, I want that, this, that, and the third until it gets to the point. And then they all of a sudden, I got this issue, that issue. But you, I was live, bro. You like, yo, Addy. Sent it 20 minutes later, he here.
Got to.
Put it in, shirt is out.
Got to. Hey, listen. And I'm gonna do that on the next set, like I say, because
Look at that.
that is
Get them while they're hot, literally.
crispy clean. Yes, sir.
That red one look fire too, I ain't gonna lie. That and look, that changes too. That's gonna go back to its own color.
Oh, you talking about this darkness of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little
It's
heat.
just the heat to press the Pablo Savage brand on there. So they don't come off when they wash it or whatever.
Okay. Yes. Ah, yes, baby. Right there.
Oh man, Pablo. Some call him the myth, some call him the man. I just call him the legend.
Hey, y'all got me hyped though. I've been working. I've been chopping up videos like
Honestly,
crazy.
You gotta get, I would get some Pablo Savage hats,
Some beanies.
some beanies, maybe some dad hats.
I ain't got no, like, all my friends, they got dreads. Now, if people online start asking for them, maybe.
You know what? You know what I'm gonna do for you is I'm gonna make you one hat,
Okay.
like one beanie, one hat, rock it,
And see what happens.
Just see what happens.
Okay,
So
yeah.
that could be like how you got the Nike joint on.
Yeah.
And
Then,
then
listen, if you got your own brand, from then on you won't even be wearing no other brand. It's gonna be nothing but your brand. I promise you. I just printed it. I'm just not even done yet. It's on my head. It's on my head already.
That's your baby though, man. You gotta know that. That's your baby. Hey, yeah, go ahead, shout it out, man. Tell where you find your merch at. What you mean?
I got a clothing line too. My shit called Fresh Cotars Clothing. It's a little, something I got going on for my son. This is my joint right here, Fresh Cotars. Now these right here, they glow in the dark. You see them? They glow in the dark.
Ooh, that caught that good.
They all glow in the dark. You see that? And then you can mix color coordinations. I got the pink hat with the pink crown. You can rock this with that. And then I got the yellow hat with that.
this is where the magic happens.
Yeah, watch where the magic happens. This is where it's crazy. Look at that.
Or right here. This is maybe a little easier to see.
So if you look, it's like the heat supercharges a little bit and that heat up.
At nighttime, it's a full glow in the dark light bulb under. Look at that.
That's gonna go crazy, especially when the kids and parents get them and they go to like Adventure Landing and stuff where they got underglow.
Yeah, man. And then you can also make sure if your people's is rocking it in the club with something, if you're looking for it, you're gonna look at
Look for the little light right there. Go find the light, brother.
I'm telling you, but these color coordinations is crazy.
And when do you plan on launching?
Well, shit, it's been launched for 3 days, but
Okay.
every time I drop a design, like I drew this out, put it on a template, he made it happen for me.
Okay.
And then once I drop all these colors, I'm no longer dropping them again. I always start anew as I draw it myself. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Everything's my own. I don't bite off nobody. I don't find none on the internet except how I start my own brand. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
But other than that, every time I draw something, it comes out pretty dope. And the light bulb was a good idea. And then something in my mind mentioned glow in the dark. I was like, light bulb, glow in the dark. And the whole concept of the light bulb with the eyes being closed is that it's for my smokers. That you had an idea, but then you got high and forgot.
Yeah.
That's why the eyes. That's why the clouds are peeping out, and then the eyes is crossed out, and the tongue is spit out.
And where can they go to order if they want to order?
They can go to Tarzan 203 or go to the official Fresh Cotars clothing page for our Instagram. So it's official Fresh Cotars. And then, or you could just DM me. Mine's easier. Tarzan203. DM me. I got you. I'll send y'all to my website, but I just canceled it because you know a little iffy stuff was going on.
Yeah.
But we'll be back with that.
Y'all hear that, gang?
Man.
Fresco Tars. Y'all go link with him. Hit him up. What is Tarzan203 on Instagram.
Right.
Go to his page. Hit him up. Tell him Pablo sent you. You know what I'm saying?
Anything you want, it could be put on anything you want, literally. If you got a brand, label, whatever, a picture of yourself, whatever, anything you want, we can put it on it. If it can be put on something, embroidered, stitched, glow in the dark, whatever you like, we got it, son.
There you go. That's what it is, gang. Y'all gotta go get that, man. We gotta support each other, help each other grow, manifest in life so we can all achieve our goals and dreams, man. So we gotta keep working. I keep telling y'all that. We just keep working. Put your head down. No negativity, just keep working. Something bad happen, find a way around it, keep working, keep working. Keep yourself motivated. Gotta stay self-driven. That's how stuff is, man. So go on get that, man. Hit them up. Let them know Pablo sent you. Let's go.
We can't help ourselves, we can't help each other, you heard me?
Facts.
Yeah, maybe that's why he only wanted 50 shirts, because he was...
All right, gang, we are done. We are complete. I got that pack in, you know what I'm saying? If you need, you know what to do, man. Go to the Instagram, hit me in the DMs, let me know what size you need. Go ahead, you cash out me anything you need. I get it over to you. Tell me where we at again, one more time.
Rocky Line.
Racky.
Racky.
Caught him slipping, he was eating.
We at Rocky Line, what is it?
6184 Caroline Road, Jacksonville, Florida.
6184 Caroline Road, Jacksonville, Florida. Come scream at us, man.
Is there a website if they out of state?
Yeah, you can go to rackyline.com. You can visit jettapearl.com. And matter of fact, if you want to get a discount, just drop the line Pablo Savage. We'll get you 10% off your order.
There it is. Look, there it is, man. They gonna give you that discount. Go put your order in.
The only way you gonna get that discount is if you say Pablo Savage sent me, you heard? If you don't say that man name, we don't know you, but we will serve you.
Big facts, and that is no cap easy. Hey, man, y'all, look, it's in the box, man. I'm ready.
The orders is already going.
You know it.
He only got like 4 shirts left.
No, we laughing, but we dead serious.
I'm dead serious. I know they sold.
Hey.
They ain't sold.
Cause your boy is in these streets working. But I just want to thank them, man. Y'all did a great job. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Racky Line. Address one more time.
6184 Caroline Road, Jacksonville, Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida. So if you need that work, come in. Tell them I sent you. They gonna get you right. Hey, I know you other YouTubers looking, brother, because y'all got to keep up with the sauce, and the sauce game is right here. You know what I'm saying? This is where the sauce is. This is where I get it from. You see it right here. They print this together. Material is good. It's soft. You know, it fit good. You know, you go to gym in this. Get your workout in. You know what I'm saying? So come on through, man. Tell them I sent you, and they going to get you right, man. Signs, banners, whatever you need. You need little tire stickers, they probably could get that done too. You know what I'm saying? Look, you know what I'm saying? And then when you get a chance, I need you to go to Fresco Tars, you know what I'm saying? Check him out. This is a clothing line he dedicated to his son. So he trying to get this going. We a family, we gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna have to come get some of this so I can wear it when y'all looking at me too, baby. You know what it is. Yeah, man, but that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I appreciate y'all. If y'all watch this video, hit that bell notification, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all that good stuff. Let's run it up all 2021. Yes, sir. Ski.
Yo.
Yeah.
We out.